Hey guys on YouTube, today I'm going to be doing a video of me washing some pots and dishes in my Bosch dishwasher. But before I'm going to do them, I'm actually going to start them on a pre-rinse because they're full of fat and nasty starch and bits and bobs. So I'm just going to start them. Before starting them on the intensive, I'm going to put them on a pre-rinse first, and just to clear off any residual residue, and then afterwards I'll start it on a long intensive 70 wash. By the way, this is being filmed on my iPod Touch, and that doesn't have any image stabilisation. Okay, I'll film when I put the machine on an intensive.